Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your day 1 fire weather outlook. We've an elevated fire weather area today covering South Central Virginia, parts of North Carolina, and North Central South Carolina for the elevated fire risk today. So, in synopsis, an upper level trough will modestly amplify in the northeast today. A cold front will push southward through the southern Appalachians. Further west, a weak lead trough will help to enhance surface winds on the western flank of a surface high, Piedmont. Dry, downslip winds off of the southern Appalachians will promote elevated fire weather this afternoon. Winds of 15 to 20 miles per hour will be possible when they leave the terrain. Relative humidity is not as certain, but 25 to 30% up here is probable. Values closer to 20% may occur locally. Central Plains. An enhanced surface pressure gradient will develop as a weak lead trough deepens on the western flank of a seasonally strong surface high in the upper Midwest. Surface winds of 15 to 20 miles per hour are possible. How low relative humidity will drop during the afternoon is the biggest uncertainty in this scenario. Copious mid and high level cloud cover is expected. Most guidance suggests relative humidity will be only marginally below elevated criteria. Furthermore, the strongest winds may be slightly displaced from the lowest relative humidity. Overall, locally elevated conditions are expected given dry fuels, but broad, sustained elevated conditions are much less certain. Southwest and the Central High Plains. Very dry conditions will exist from the southwest into southeast Colorado. Relative humidity of 10 to 20% is expected by the afternoon. Winds in most locations will be relatively weak. Terrain enhanced wind could reach up to 20 miles per hour. Locally elevated to near critical conditions could occur. So, that's your day 1 fire weather outlook. Remain safe and vigilant in these areas today. And if I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, a cell phone, phone chargers, extra batteries, flashlights, and a battery-powered radio in the event that you need to evacuate on a moment's notice. Because fire can start to spread quickly. Please avoid outdoor burning in these areas. Because one little spark is all it takes for a fire to start to spread quickly. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Even if they're not lit. Because 1, that's littering. 2, all it takes is one little spark. For a fire to start to spread quickly. And make sure your cigarette is fully out. Before you throw it away. So stay safe and vigilant in these areas today. I'm not gonna get this out yet. And I'll see you in the next video. For right now, there's no areas for day 2 as of now, but we'll see what happens in later updates. But regardless, stay safe and vigilant in the elevated fire risk today, and I will see you whenever. Take care.